Today we are going to discuss about the speed. What is speed? So basically speed is a distance covered by a body in a unit time that is known as speed. What does it mean? That a distance that is covered by a body in 1 second. That unit time means 1 second. So a distance covered by a body in 1 second, that is known as speed. Formula for speed is V is equal to d upon t, distance upon time. SI unit of speed is meter per second and it is a scalar quantity. Let's find the dimension of scalar quantity. Let's find the dimension of speed. So basically meter per second, meter length, second time. When time goes up, it will be LT power minus 1. So the dimension of speed is LT power minus 1. Okay, let's take an example. For example, I am having a 4 object, that is a person who is walking, second person who is on a cycle, third person that will be on a truck, fourth that will be on a car, that's whatsoever it is. So a person is on cycle, a person is on truck, and here a person is on car. So the total distance they have to cover, for example, that is 2 points A and B. They have to cover the distance of 20 meter. They have to cover a distance. Now a walking person has covered a distance in 20 seconds. A distance of 20 meter he covered in 20 seconds. A cycle person have covered in 10 seconds. The person who is on truck covered in 5 seconds. 20 meter distance the truck person has covered in 5 seconds, and then the 20 meter distance a person in car have covered in 1 second. For example, it's like an example. Now we'll be finding their speed in 1 second, means they have, that is the total distance they have covered, but in these time, but we will be finding the speed, the distance covered by a body in a 1 second we'll be seeing. And what is the formula? Formula is V is equal to d upon t. Now first of all, the walking person, that is distance we are having 20 and time the walking person have covered a 20 seconds. 20 to 20 cancel, that is 1 meter per second. It means that the person who is walking have covered 1 meter in 1 second, and there are 20 meter he or she have to covered, and he or she have covered 1 meter in 1 second. Now if we calculate the speed of the person who is in cycle, it will be V is equal to distance we are having 20 and the time 10, it will be 2, means a person has covered 2 meter in 1 second. Then if we talk about 5, the person in truck, that is 20 upon 55, 5 4 is 20. It means a person has covered 4 meter in 1 second. Now a car person in 1 second, so 20, a time that is covered is 1 second. Now it will be 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second, it means that he has covered a 20 meter in 1 second. In 1 second he has covered a 20 meter. Now if you want to know that which one object from these four have a fastest speed, so the car object have a fastest speed because the car person travel 20 meter in 1 second. And they have covered 4 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, but the car person has covered 20 meter in 1 second. So it has the fastest speed, means from all these above the car has the fastest speed. That is how we calculate the speed.